what is an undivided share of land? Undivided share of land is actually given for mainly with respect to apartments. If you see, in case of any new apartment or a second-hand apartment, as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, only an undivided share of land alone is registered at the time of execution of the sale deed. The builder ensures that the undivided share of land in proportion to the built-up area of the total land area is being proportionately allocated to all the owners. So what do you need to really check for an undivided share of land? Normally, if you see the FSI, which is called floor space index for Tamil Nadu, is 1.5. So for one ground, which is equal to 2,400 square foot, total built up area is 3,600 square foot. Let's say the builder is constructing around 6 apartments in that premises. So he has to, if all the 6 apartments are equally there, he has to proportionately give the undivided share of land as close to 600 square foot. It has to be really ensured that the builder should not retain undivided share of land at any circumstances. It has to be pro rata allocated to all the buyers of the apartment. Secondly, one more aspect which you need to check for an undivided share of land is, let's say you are buying a 1,000 square foot apartment. For that, even taking into FSI of 1.5 plus another premium FSI of 0.5, the builder has to compulsorily give you at least 500 square foot of undivided share of land. Below 500 square foot the builder is going to give, you have to really be cautious enough to ensure as to why such low extent of undivided share is given, because tomorrow the value of your flat, the undivided share of land also will play a very dominant role in determining the value of your flat at a later date. So be very careful with respect to a undivided share of land.